promo ha Ghana ha yete nsem ho pa yete ensama kese emu a yampa ano sobre a tese be ye how pa de mo men ye ko ayebe nan wada ne beto dwa ese eye sofupenyi a wada Synagogue Church of All Nations Prophet Temitope Balungo Joshua Adona Eninas Prophet TB Joshua we twana nanom ewo ensiedo na ni krumu ankasa Nigeria honom no asofo ahodo wonsem mefa ni wonu abetodwa se age titiman okonmu yenso etie man Ghana mu ye adwe ho a ene ye da sode ya wo konfo wo digital platforms so konfo use Facebook use WhatsApp recording no video me kire okonfo kokubunsam abe de entembi abeto abonte efa Prophet TB Joshua guo no na according to okonfo kokubunsam no wono na the cause and the reason behind Prophet TB Joshua guo no esan say ebribi etwemu no the late former president Professor Evans Atamos Kona Soyo na woba back no anche eno hwere ne nkwa ofiri mu nti na yese wono konfo kokubunsam wono na oho sabre na tese wono nso ne enim de course ma Professor Evans Atamos efimu a tese Prophet TB Joshua ne fom so a ene ba ne santi se Prophet TB Joshua so nim so ono konfo ni mu bi nti na o ya attempt se enkobeso wonyi nim so nti ono nso active fast on it Nunti anam so ama ono na wetimi Prophet TB Joshua if we any asema okonfo kokubunsam ede abetu tani bitafo wa be body video wo ye go ye ni video ne nsem no se no kire mu according to ono amu ede tu dane ba etwe nsem ho ye besa ede asom
the great authentic mind all trees shall pass away except palm tree. Sometimes people will not understand who is spiritual, who have a spirit, who deal with the spirit, who work with the spirit, who have power, who have the ultimate power, who can change something, who can tell good thing, who let people to see, who let people to open their eyes, who let people to go mind, who let somebody to know the good way, who let people to see the truth, who let people to hear the truth, who tell the truth, who say lies, who always say the truth to people. I'm the most powerful spiritualist in the world. If somebody die, it's not something it makes some people, it's not something it can make some people happiness. Die didn't bring happiness. By spiritual web, we have spiritual web, then you can fight with somebody, whether the person can deceive you, where the person is going to show you the powers. Share the video. You know, TB Joshua tried to kill Ananoko Munsam in spiritual. She said, you're going to fight with me in spiritual. I said, you are the one who killed Ghana president. She is the one who killed Ghana former president, Fifi Evans Atamis. They may his soul rest in peace. When I say this, people will started talking rubbish, insulted me, say me, I don't have nothing, but I say that you go see. When the former president, Fifi Evans Atamis died, TB Joshua told me that you're going to fight with me in spiritual. I told him, give me 9 to 10 years. I will also show you that God is the one who can judge me. No one can judge me in this earth. This is me, Nanoko Kubunsam, talking. And I'm saying this, and this is no prayer forms. I want all over the world to hear this. We went to spiritual contest. And when we went to spiritual contest, it means that one is going to lose, one is going to win. But I tried anyhow, because he told me that he said, always say that he's going to win that spiritual contest. He said, she will face for me spiritual for me to see who is who. But I know the authentic mind. I said, you can never defeat me. Upon all the money that you have, upon all the things that God has given to you, I said he doesn't have any power. TV Joshua said he has power. She go teach me where the power lies. She was standing in front of his church. Whereby he said this, I said, no. You, me, my name is Korneko Musam. I'm a spiritual mind that I will deal with the spirit, the powers of
ready as a Mr. Bakubi and Person Misa. And say, Yawa Emrebia, Swobia Bapontino, Betitum Semi Kunipa, Sehum Quanso, Grandpa, Emrebu White me a chili banana because Enka Broche Memudia will be a na will be dinner Bissamina Mekuna, and can yash crown your home with the say, one more pentem, Cosoni movie service and said, and say, I say, no, moi. Na eja emani ne disa kwan so na Ghana ha de obi tipi ba bonti ena na mekun no ena me ye na mekun we no de fa ho kwan mti na ze nipa no so guo na aye talks na ye kasako we obi egu ewo no krom na busuafo esu na sori emasu esu na ye video ka center won say me na mekun no na akọ ye Rome Roman Catholic Pope walk permission say who could for revenge on the death of the late president. Like, does it really make sense? Because already asembisa enamija ediamai. Mpacho wanu ye bi ana won se mika fa de konfu koku bunsam edi abetuja edi afa Prophet TB Joshua ni wo no emwa. Na wo bomoden edi afa your comment section ho na wo de asomyen. Na dem to wo ye ne sa na wo follow ye e wo social media platforms. So Instagram net Twitter so you will at @TooMuchGH_. Facebook so @TooMuchGH. Nana mo uswa enemy na nyame yaduma you say share bi makramunya bye bye.